My name is Sarai Ajai, and thank you for watching my newly created YouTube channel called Sarai Ajai Brief because I want to create, share, lead, and design beneficial business modules, tutorials from my real-world perspective through my professional business challenges and lesson learned approaches, which will enhance and develop your business module proficiency, skills, progresses, successes, maturities, and continuous quality improvement from my online presentation or a better understanding how your business environments are structured and formed, and to a small business entrepreneurship, limited partners as corporation, C corporation, and non-for-profit organization from your business needs, wants, and desires. And in my YouTube channel, Sarai Ajai Briefs Tutorials, you will attain skill sets in developing, implementing, and organizing business module application for applying and achieving your business goals. And thanks for watching.